was an interesting article this morning in one of the national dailies, or not this morning, but this week, about the history of vaccination and just what a difference it's made to the health of the community as a whole. And the journalist made the point that we've forgotten just how lethal some of these diseases were. You know, how different are things compared to the period before we had immunisations available for some of those deadly diseases?
In my parents' time and my grandparents' time, people suffered from polio. They couldn't breathe properly. They were in iron lungs. There was smallpox around. Measles caused a lot more harm and had much, much bigger outbreaks than it has now. A number of different viruses and bacteria that cause serious disease that we can now prevent. So it is easy to see that things are all fantastic now. That's because of the use of those vaccines. The little bits of harm and damage that these people, these anti-vaxxers, are ascribing to vaccines are frankly just wrong. And they're trying to mislead the public into something that is not true, and we don't have these diseases rolling around now to be able to compare to. So we really are in a much better and lucky state than we could have been without these vaccines.
How is it that a researcher who 20 years ago faked his research, and this is Andrew Wakefield, of course, who linked the MMR vaccine with autism and was subsequently found to have invented facts and figures to substantiate his thesis, how is it that someone such as him, who's been discredited, can still be producing material that supports, you know, a scientific theorem that